no, at the time of invoice somewhere,
Mm.
it will not ask. Just I0, someone will create, you use it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Good. So if nobody has created, what you do, you go to FTXP. You go to FTXP, create one I0, no?
Okay, sir.
That's it, right? You know, no, FTXP. You go there,
Yes.
create one I0 tax procedure. For, whatever is the procedure, don't worry about it. Just give like this, press enter and create it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It might be any
Yes.
procedure here. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Right. Uh, See, guys, I wanted to tell you, please don't share your user ID with other people. Yeah, your
Yes, sir.
friends, someone who is doing ABAP course, someone who is doing course, someone who is doing basis course. Don't give them. That's, if you share with others, they will do their practice. Then it will create such problems. It's not because of FI. Someone is, disturbing the server from backend. Yeah, that's when these problems will come. Okay, now, okay, so now, okay, so we assigned the accounts already. We assigned, Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Step number 11. 11. Define number range. Define number range for depreciation document type. Depreciation document type AF. Okay, the T code is OBS7. You know that.
Sir, once show the note paid asset accounting starting to 11th point we are practicing today.
Yeah, starting I think it's from here, no? Here, not here.
Okay. Okay, sir. Next.
Hello,
Yes, ma.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, can you show once the configuration of eighth step depreciation area?
Okay. Yeah, 1 minute, ma.
Next, sir.
Okay. This is ninth step.
Okay, sir. Next.
Then assigning part. This is all theory. We discussed what is a class, how it is coming.
Okay, sir.
Just okay. Yeah.
1117.
Right. So just 1 minute. Some people joined late. Yeah. Okay. So what I was saying is, okay, someone asked step number 8, no? So how we do? So you go to OAYZ. OAYZ you go. Give your chart of depreciation SM or is ZAPL, sir. It's another class. ZAPL, yeah. Next, chart of depreciation is ZAPL. And then what you do, guys? Position.
Select the full.
What is your class? ZAP.
ZAPB.
ZAP. Yeah, suppose I am doing for buildings. What I do, I select like this, click on depreciation area, remove
Book
book
depreciation.
depreciation, area deactivation you remove and give the screen layout 2000. Okay, and then save it. Okay, then cancel, come out. See, already I have done. So I'll show you. See here, if I am doing for ZAPL AUC, what I do? I come here, click on book depreciation. Then I remove this area deactivation for other classes, not for AUC. Here 2000 screen I will give. And then what I do? Save it. After saving, you don't go back. Click on cancel, come out. Okay? Yeah, that's what you have. Okay. Yeah, Altaf.
When we deactivate this, it is asking uh, once you go to that page.
Yeah, it will ask depreciation key, na?
Okay.
Because you are pressing enter.
Okay.
Correct. Don't press enter. Don't go back. Just to save and come out. Save and then come out. Cancel. You have to use cancel. Okay? Yeah. So if it is you are not able to do it now, what you do, see here. Here you give some depreciation for now. If you are not able to do, just if it is asking depreciation, he gives all zeros for now, yeah, and then save it. Okay. Okay. Later on, we will change the depreciation.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Right. Okay. Now step number 11, number range. Okay. Go to OBS 7 slash N OBA 7. Go. Okay. You know this AF document type. Position AF. Double click on AF. Number 404 series. 04 series. Number range information. Click on company code. What is my company code? ZAPL. Change intervals. Change intervals. Click on change intervals. Insert
Insert.
interval. Number I am
Sir,
giving the
sir, T code, sir.
OBS 7. You know no OBS 7.
Yes, yes.
Same one. So 04 I have to give. Year what I will give? Year 2024. No, we are in now. Okay, 4 lakh 1 to 4 lakh 99
99.
something. Okay, give it. So 04 series it is asking. I am giving 4 series 4 lakh 1 to 4 lakh 99, which is like all the depreciation entries will start with this series. Okay, depreciation entry. Okay, no, don't save it now. So why I am giving 04 series? Because here it's mentioned 04 here. Correct here. Okay, good. Now step number 12. Step number 12. No, no. 12 is define posting rules. Define posting rules. That is OAYR. Define posting rules means when you will post the depreciation. Do you post monthly? Do you post quarterly? Do you post yearly? When you want to post the depreciation.
They show step number
Yearly.
11.
Step number
11, sir.
11 is OBS 7. You go like this, OBS 7. You double click on AF document,
Okay.
then number range information, then company code ZAPL, change intervals, insert interval, number 04, year 2024, 4 lakh 1 to 4 lakh 99. Enter, save.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now next one, OAYR, posting rules. So here I am telling when I will post the depreciation. Okay. When I will post the depreciation. So if I post yearly, what will happen? My periodic reports I don't get correctly. Na? I want to know periodic profit or loss. Correct. If I
Yes.
don't post depreciation period wise, how I will get? Correct. Yeah. So my company code is ZAPL. Select ZAPL. Click on the posting rule. Here you see monthly posting.
Yes.
Bi-monthly means every 2 months. Quarterly posting means every 3 months. Semi-annual means
6 months.
6 months. Annual means year.
12 months.
So you can do annual posting. So one entry will be one day, one entry for 1 year. But it is what will happen when I want to show depreciation for period wise. Period wise, I don't get it. No? Yeah. So my periodic results will not include depreciation concept. That's why I will select monthly posting. So depreciation I am posting monthly. Save it. So what I am saying, what I am telling here, depreciation will be posted monthly. Every month I will post the depreciation. Okay. Now press enter. Done. Next. Next one is what? Step number 13. So in my company depreciation, I'm posting monthly, na periodic depreciation. I'm posting monthly. Every month I will post. Okay. Next one I am doing step number 13 is 13 is here define rounding off rules.
13 year 3.
13. Define rounding off OA by O. No, OA by O. Rounding off rules. Define rounding off. Define rounding off rules. I hope everybody started asset accounting, right? You completed up to step 10, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
All of you? Good.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Good
Yes, ma'am.
morning.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, I joined now. Can you please repeat it again in brief?
This is just the number range, ma. You given in so many times, na?
Yes,
OBS 7, you have given for vendor invoice, vendor payment, customer, same thing. You will do for AF document. Okay.
yeah, okay.
So this is AF04 series will be there. You give number range for that. Okay. This is OAYR. Just we are telling in OAYR, we are saying this is OAYR monthly posting I tick. Very simple. You go to company code ZAPL, then you select this, click on posting rules, and then you tick this monthly posting. So you are posting depreciation monthly. Okay, that was my step number 12. Step number 13. 13 is rounding off rules. Rounding off rules means how I will round off. How I will round off. No? See my asset acquisition value, purchase value, acquisition value is 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. My depreciation is something like 18,945.763. Okay. So now my net book value will be again you will get no. So I suppose if my depreciation is something like this, then my net book also will have decimals, right? Yeah. So this I will deduct from here. No? Yeah. So this is 0.00. So how I want to round off? No? What level I want to round off? What I want to round off? Rounding off. No? So this instead of writing all this, I will round off to either 64. Correct or not? I can do like this. Or I can simply round it off to 6. No? Simple, right? Yeah, rounding off rules. How I will round off. Okay, note on OAYO. OAY, rounding off rules. Rounding off rules. Okay, so press enter. Yeah, rounding off rules. Here, my company code. What is my company code? ZAPL. Select ZAPL. Click on rounding specifications. Select ZAPL. Click on rounding specifications. Select ZAPL. Click on rounding specifications. Okay, click on rounding specifications. And here book depreciation, tax depreciation. Click on book depreciation. Here, what I want to round off? I want to round off net book value. I want to round off automatically calculated depreciation. I want to round off replacement value. What all I can select like this. Is that clear? What I want to round off. According to my requirement, I will tick. I'm ticking this. See here, you are able to see two things. No, one is you are seeing square boxes. One you are seeing round circles. Yeah. So these are check boxes. These are radio buttons. Correct. Now, what is the difference between them? What is the difference between these circles, radio buttons, and
For radio
this check?
button, we have any
Only
one.
one can be selected, yes.
Check boxes you can select all, no? So wherever check boxes are there, you can select all of them. Radio buttons, what is the logic? So at
Only
least
one
this
can
one,
be
yeah, you see,
selected.
got it? Yeah, that should be an indication to you. I can select only one. I cannot select all three. Got it? Yeah. So here you note down, you select automatically calculated depreciation. Then you calculate arithmetic rounding. See, what is this round up, round down, and arithmetic? Okay. We need to know this. Round up, round down, arithmetic rounding. See, suppose if it is round up is there. Round up. Okay. So now my depreciation is suppose that my depreciation is something like yeah, 23 is there, suppose. Okay, my depreciation is something like this. Round up means what? It will always take up only. Okay, so round up is always, it will take higher value. So it will take like this. So it will take 1800. So it will take 18007. It will take always higher number. Okay, so for depreciation, which is okay. Now if it is depreciation is 23 or 83, understand, it will take always higher number, round up. So for this also it will take 80, it will take this one only. For this will also it will take a 189.47 only. For this also it will take 189, sorry, 47. For this one also it will take 189.47. Got it? That is round up. That is round up. Okay. Okay, let me put it this way. It makes it more sense. Okay, this is round up. So even if the decimal is lower or higher, it will take upper number only. Now round down means what? What it will do?
46.
Round down means it will always take lower number. Got it? Okay. Arithmetic rounding means what?
Above 50,
Based on
47,
0.50.
below
Yeah,
50,
yeah.
46.
Correct. Arithmetic rounding means it will be smart J. It will do like this. Okay. So for a lower number, it will take the lower, below 0.5 and below. Yeah, sorry. Below 0.5, it will be 46. 0.5 and above, it will be 46. Got it? That is the difference. You know, down, round up, round down, arithmetic
The
rounding.
round, second one, round down.
This is round down, correct? Yeah. So this is below 0.5. It will take this. This is 0.5 and above. 0.5 and above, it will take higher. Arithmetic rounding. Right?
What are the square button? Like the remaining options are in the screen. OAYO.
OAYO.
Select automatically calculated replacement value, net book value.
You want to round the net book value at the year end. Only depreciation you want to round off. Or replacement value. Tomorrow you want to replace.
Okay.
What you want to round off? You can select all also. You can select only one, up to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I have selected automatically calculated
Sir, one
depreciation.
show notepad.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, done. So let's proceed, guys. So go here. I have selected arithmetic calculation and automatic calculation, automatically calculated depreciation and arithmetic. These two things I select. Save. Over. That was my step number 13. Yeah. Step number 14. 14 is what? Define screen layout. Define screen layout. Screen layout for asset master data. Okay. This you have to go by path. I will show you. Step number 15 is define screen layout. Screen layout. Screen layout for asset depreciation area. Okay, that is again you have to go by SPR. Okay, note down this. Who has not started asset accounting, guys? Anybody not yet started?
Me,
Asset
sir.
accounting, you got 3 days. What happened, Altaf?
Sir, I was out of station, sir. I was
Today you
like,
will do?
I'll try, sir, because I'm right now continuing my office. So I went to my hometown, sir.
Okay. Yes, but certain time, when you need to do, you have to do, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. If you miss that time will never come.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Do it, guys. So now asset screen layout for asset master data. Here I will show you what is this. So to create a vendor master, what is the T code?
FK01.
Yeah, to create a customer master,
FD01.
FD01. To create asset master, asset master is in sub ledger or general ledger?
Subledger.
Which sub ledger?
Asset accounting.
Yeah, asset master record. Okay, for each asset you create. It is AS01. Yeah, note. To create asset master, it is AS01. Okay, now I am going to AS01, guys. Let me go to /n AS01. Go. Here you see there are two things here. Master data, depreciation area data, two boxes. Can you see? Master data, depreciation areas, two boxes are there. So if I give my asset class now, what is my asset class?
ZAPL,
ZAPL.
ZAPL, BUIL, build.
So
Okay.
ZAPL.
PL, na? Yeah. Now my company code ZAPL. Correct? Yeah. Then now I'm saying number of similar assets, 1. Press enter. Okay, here you see master data. This is master data. Correct? Yeah. But I want to see the depreciation area. If I click on master data, it will go take me to master data. Got it? If I click on depreciation area, it will take me to depreciation area. Got it? Yeah. So this is a separate area. This is a separate area. Two areas are there. Master data and depreciation. Okay. This master data, now there are fields are there, right? Okay. What fields are there? There are like, when I press enter here, one tick mark is coming here.
Sir, there is also depreciation area.
This is the depreciation area here. Correct? Yeah. Now here one tick mark is coming. No?
It's mandatory.
What is this tick mark?
It's mandatory.
Yeah. So it is
Yeah.
mandatory from where it is controlled. Now this is not mandatory.
Yes.
This is not mandatory. This is mandatory. From where I am controlling this
Field
is the
status.
question. Okay. Not field status. Field status is for
It,
transaction position.
yes, it's coming
Correct?
from.
From where it is coming asset. I will show you from where it is coming.
Screen layout.
So remember we created the screens, no?
Yes, sir. Deposition.
ZAP 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
You
Then
copied and
deposit.
created screen layouts. Remember before asset classes.
Yes, sir.
Step
In VLs.
number 5. Step number 5. Account determination we create. Then we create the screen layout. Remember? Yeah.
Yes.
So that screen layout I will go. I will go to SPRO. Reference IMG. Then you go to financial accounting. Then you go to asset accounting. Then you go to your master data. In master data screen layout, and here define screen layout for asset master data. Yeah, note down the path. Define screen layout for asset master data. Okay, noted the path.
Just a moment.
See, those who missed it, those who lost the data, guys, it will not take 1 hour. So just create your 21 steps quickly and start with asset accounting. Yeah, it should not stop you. You will not have any problem. Just you create your 21 steps, move on with the asset account.
Amma,
Right. Now click on this define screen layout. Here, define screen layout for asset master. Define screen layout for asset master. Here, what we are doing? Here, our screen layout, no, position. Now I want to do for building, no?
Yes,
I
sir.
want to do for building. For building, what is the screen layout, guys?
ZAP2.
Correct. No? Something ZAP we use. No? ZAP2, no? Remember this in the asset class we have given, no?
Yes.
What is
Yes,
the
sir.
T code to see the asset class? If I want to see an asset class, what is the T code?
OA.
OA, correct? Yeah, so you go open the screen, OA, correct? OA. You can see my building class, ZAPL building class. When I open it, what is the screen layout here?
Building.
Screen layout,
ZAP2.
ZAP2. Now, this is what I have given, right? Remember? Yeah. So, same thing I'm opening now here. Okay, ZAP2. Click on logical field groups. So, now here there are some headings. No? What are the headings we have? What are the general data? What are they? General data, posting information, time dependent data, allocations, correct? Yeah, can you see? These are the headings. Now, under this, you have the fields. Got it? Okay. So, same way you see now, this general data, all this information you can see here also. Can you see? General data, posting information, time dependent, allocations. Can you see matching? General,
Yes, sir.
posting information, time dependent, allocation. Same thing here is general, posting, time dependent, allocation. Now under general, what are there? What are the fields are there? Description. This is description 1, first field. Description 1. This is description 2. Okay. Asset main number text. Like that we have no? You have the fields, right? All these are the fields under general data. Under posting information, what is the field? Capitalized on. Correct or not? So now I will go here. Okay, general data I will see. General data, it is showing like this. Description 1, it is, they have options here. Required, optional, no means suppress. Required, optional,
No.
suppress. You understand? Now it is required here. Required means what?
Mandatory to give.
Now description 2 is not required, no? Okay. Suppose if I put description 2 field required now. Okay. So for ZAP2 buildings screen, I'm putting description 2 as required. Okay, let me save now. Save. I saved in which screen?
Yes, ZAP2.
ZAP. ZAP2 applies for
Building.
which class?
Building class.
Building class, no? Yeah, so now I'm going, so I'm creating one asset under building class now, AS01. Okay, again I'm coming. Which class it is? Building class. For building class, which screen will apply?
ZAP2.
ZAP2. Now I'm going to master data. You see now what will happen? What is the difference? Can you see any difference?
Yes, in that
Both
second
are
description
ticked.
column also
Description,
have.
right?
Yeah, so I have to give both. User has to give both now. You understand the point? So these fields we are controlling from controlling from here. Is that clear? That's got it, everybody?
Yes.
So the whatever fields are there in the asset master, where you are controlling from step 14, we are controlling. Now you tell me, suppose I want to make this capitalized date required. What should I do?
Go to the screen layout first.
Go to screen layout and then do what?
Then go back,
Go back, correct.
Logic.
correct posting information,
Posting information.
Information.
field
Field
group,
groups.
Field group rules.
then
And then
Click on the
capitalization
required.
required.
That's
and
it. Understood? So
Yes.
next time when I go, when I'm creating, next time when I am creating, now it is not there. Next time when I go and try to create, na, here you see. I'm giving which class? Building class. Master data. Can you see? Got it? So these fields we are controlling from step number 14. Clear, everybody? This is not a step. This is just understanding. It's not compulsory that you do this. Depending upon the client requirement, you do this. Correct or not? Is it a step? No, it's not a step. You just do it depending upon your client requirement. Whatever fields they want required, required. Optional, optional. Suppress, suppress. Is that clear? Yeah. Depending upon the asset classes. They say plant and machinery, I want this. Okay, go to ZAP3. Correct or not? Somebody says furniture, I want this. Then go to ZAP4. Someone says land, I want this. Go to ZAP1. You understand when I say ZAP1, 2, 3, 4, you understand no, what I'm talking? Yeah. Screen layouts. Clear everybody? Any questions before I proceed?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay, now let me go. Go here, then I will put it back. No? I don't want, I put it back. Okay, then I will go to general data. I don't want to give description to also. No? Put it back. Okay, fine. Now next one. No, next one we have one more. That is the depreciation screens. Depreciation screens, yeah. AS01 depreciation area. Here we have book depreciation. Depreciation key something I am giving. All 4 zeros. Press enter. And here there are some fields. You see? Scrap value percentage. There are some fields, no? Correct or not? So these fields I am controlling from. Again, there is a step number 15 is there. Okay, go back. Go back. Step number 15 is this one. No doubt. Same path, next step. Define screen layouts for asset depreciation areas. Okay, same path, next step. Note online. Same path, next step. Right? So here I'm managing first section of the asset master. Here I'm managing the second, that is the depreciation area I'm managing. So you double click on this. Here you remember one screen, you remember these screens? 2000, 1000.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these don't worry guys. They have been removed now. Nobody is using this. These are not there. Don't worry about it. Now only 1000 and 2000 is there. Yeah. Now 1000 means what?
Only
Depreciation
main asset.
Main asset.
asset level. 2000 means
Depreciation.
Sub
Sub
asset.
asset.
so for buildings we have given which one?
Sub asset.
2000. 2000.
2000. Okay. So 2000 screen I am controlling from here. Okay. Field group rules. Okay. So here we have you see scrap value is there. Correct. And then we have scrap value percentage is there. Correct now. Suppose if I am putting scrap value required. Correct. And I am putting scrap value percentage also required. Okay. Yeah. So I'm putting scrap value as required. Scrap value percentage as required. Okay. You see now what will happen. Save it. So now I am going to again create asset master. Yeah. So here it is not required right now. You see. Okay. Now I am going to AS01. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to the depreciation area. Na? Area. Book depreciation key something you give. Click on book depreciation. Here you see. Can you see some difference here?
Yes, sir.
What happened here?
Yes, scrap value and
Scrap
scrap
value and
Mandatory.
scrap value percentage.
Required. Can you see the connection? So these fields we are controlling from the 2000 screen in step number 15. Got it? Yeah. Understood everybody? Step number 14 and 15 are not actually steps. They are just for you to understand. Correct? So this I am using to control what area, what fields. These are the fields in, yeah, control the statuses of the fields in asset master. Yeah, master data. Okay, this is the depreciation area data.
These two steps have any T code, sir?
T code is not there. Better
Okay.
go by path. For this, there is a T code. This is AO21 is there. But first 14 one, it is not.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
fields in depreciation area.
Sir, so we do not need to tick anything in these two steps, right?
No need to tick.
As per the
Just,
client requirement, we need
yeah.
to.
Yeah, right now, whatever standard are there, those only we will use. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so, and any requirement is there, client says something changes, then according to that, we will adjust the relevant screen layout.
So like this, we can control any screens.
We can control all the screen layouts you can do, all the depreciation screen also, 2000 also you can control, and different asset master screens also you can control.
Yeah. Not
Not
about asset
only
master
the asset
depreciation, sir.
accounting, in any other subledgers also we can control the screens, sir.
Suppose
Yeah, any other.
step
Mm.
7, sir, we have step 4, step 5, sir, step 6 are required, sir.
Which one?
While creating uh, asset class,
Asset class
step 7.
creation. Yeah,
Step
yeah.
7, we have
That
bound
is
to
asset.
create.
That is asset. That is SAP level. It is.
Okay, sir.
That is program level. It is.
Okay.
This is. See, that is. Those things are applied for configuration. These things are applied for master data.
Okay.
You are controlling the user. No? Now
Yeah,
their
sir.
SAP is controlling you. No?
Mm.
You understand the
Yes, sir.
point?
Yes, sir.
So if so asset class you are creating without number range, how you can create asset class? So they put the requirements there. Got it?
Got it.
Right. So configuration level are controlled at the program level, no? SAP level. Yeah. Now we are controlling the master data. That's the difference. Okay. Now you go back. Go back. Click on screen layout. Okay. So now here field group rules. Field group rules. And then you go put it back. Just I showed you, no? Yeah, just I showed you. You can put it back. No problem. Save it. Done. So this was about the screen layouts, no? Both. So now when I come back, no? When I come back, I will not find this as required now. Okay. Depreciation key something I am giving. Book depreciation. Okay. It's gone. Okay. So now someone asked asset master fields, no? Those you can control from your group, no? OBD3. Remember? OBD3, what vendor group we created?
AGH,
AGH, huh?
AGHK, AHK.
ZAPL, something we created, something like we're starting with Z.
Also,
Uh,
at that point of time, we use AMPL as well.
no, here for ZAPL also we might have created no group.
Yes,
Uh,
AHK.
Zydus versus. Okay, what is our vendor? You tell me, guys. FK02 vendor. Who is our vendor? 83, huh?
79,
79 vendor. No?
79.
How to find out the group for a vendor, guys?
On environment or extras, we have administration.
Correct. So you go to environment. No, I think extras,
Plus
administrative
administrative.
data here, ZHKS. Okay, ZHKS. No? Okay, housekeeping services. Now let me go. OBD3, ZHKS. I went to something else. OBD3, na? Yeah, you go. Now here I am giving ZHKS, na? Housekeeping. Okay, open ZHKS. Now here we have the fields. You see, field status. You understand? Field status, general data, company code data, purchasing data, general data, address, address. Now it is optional. Name 1, I have to give required. Understand? Save it. Okay, then what will happen? It's wrong, but okay, I'm just showing you, just understand this one. So I'm put it as required. No? For what? For ZHKS, address, name I have put required. So what will happen now when I go to FK01, when I'm creating the vendor master? Oh, it is internal, no? ZHKS is internal, right? Internal, right? Yeah. Here you see name. What happened to name?
Required.
Required.
Required
Required.
entry.
Compulsory. Mandatory.
Got it? This is how. This is how we will control. Is that clear? So you go to OBD3, group level we control everything. Yeah. So this is my ZHKS. Now here ZHKS, general data, right? Communication address is there. Street is there. Street you put it as required. Street you put it as required. Then what will happen? Street will become required. Okay, if I go to FK01, then I press enter, you see street has become.
Yes.
Got it? Same applies for customer master also. Okay, guys? Yeah. So go to ZHKS. I will put it back. Always standard is better, guys. Otherwise, you end up, giving every time not required. I will put it as option. What is? Display means only see. Only see and enjoy. You cannot change it. Suppose you see, now here display is there. No? You see suppress means that field will be shaded out. It will gone. It will disappear from the screen. Yeah. Yeah. So display means it's used for seeing purpose. Only for see. You cannot change it. Okay, just for me. Save it.
FK0 is 03 is what?
Same like that. 03, how you do? Same like. Okay. FK01. Okay. Yeah. So name you see, name you can see. Name you can see, but can I enter?
No.
I can only see dummy. You understand? No? That is display. If I put suppress,
The
if I
field
put
will remove from
suppress,
screen.
yeah, it will disappear from this. Okay. Now you see general data, address. If I put name as suppress, no, you see that if now I put here, I will go to FK01. Now you see name is gone. Got it? You understand the difference between suppress and display?
Yes.
No.
That's okay. So now this I generally don't tell because what happens is people will disturb other groups. You know what they do? They don't do in their group. They go to some other group and then they change it. That person will not understand why it is asking. No? These problems will pop up. Okay, now I will open this. Then I will put everything back. No, always go with the standard. So optional name one also option. Save. Okay, same option you have in your OBD2 also. OBD2 ditto. What is our customer group? Customer group ZAPL, ZDCG, right? Yeah, open it and here also you have the similar fields. Okay, address and all you see. From where you will control the customer master data. Is that clear? Good.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we are in asset master. Now let's go to step number. So here one important thing I wanted to talk to. That is when you go to your screen layout AO21. That is your this one. It's 2000 screen. Here you see when I go 2000 screen, Here, 2000 screen we are going, right? Here, there is one field that is here, you see depreciation key. There is one field that you cannot make optional or suppress. Can you see the status of it? Special
Depreciation.
status, special status. Correct? So
Only required.
even a consultant also cannot do anything about it. Got it? So depreciation key is required, very important.
Sir, what is class MN and
This
SBN
is
number?
main asset number, sub asset number, copying allowed,
Okay.
class specification,
Okay.
all this. These are sidetracks. Okay. Main asset number, sub asset number, all those. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, you understand here?
Sir, this is standard form or we are creating, someone creating here?
Which one?
These are.
All this
So,
SAP provided, standard 2000 screen.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. So now here depreciation key is what? Is
Required.
required. So can I
Required.
make it optional?
No,
No.
sir.
Program itself required.
Required. So depreciation key is very important, guys. Every asset mandatory for you to create, for you to have the depreciation. Without depreciation key, we cannot create an asset at all. Compulsorily, you need to give the depreciation. So even if there is no depreciation also, you have to give. You have to say zero depreciation applies. You have to say like that. Is it clear? Yeah. Okay, no, don't
Like
depreciation.
for the land also we have to give
Land also you have to give
depreciation.
0%. You give. Is that clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, no, don't
Key means
depreciation.
percentage, right? So depreciation percent for
No,
asset.
no, no. Depreciation key. It is a now step number 16 is the creation of the depreciation.
Okay.
Okay, create depreciation key. So it's a concept in itself. So probably we take 1 or 2 classes for depreciation key creation. Understand? So it is a concept in itself. No? We need to learn how to create the depreciation key. Okay. So depreciation key contains many methods, calculation methods. I will show you. It's a big screen. Like
Sir,
if you
when I
go,
was doing step 8 OAYZ, then you was asking me for the depreciation key for
yeah, give no,
it
give
allowed
all
me.
4 zeros. 4 zeros you
Okay.
give for now. No, but we
Hmm.
will not use always zero depreciation. No, we have to create our depreciation key. Okay. Yeah. Okay. AFAMA.
But when you did sir step 8, it didn't ask you when you did
Yeah,
that
because
step.
there is a others also created without key. You have to
Oh,
the way
thank
I
you.
showed you. If you create that way, it will not ask. If you press
Okay, sir.
enter before, it will ask. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So there is how many digits we will provide?
How many digits for depreciation key?
Yes, sir.
Four digits. You see. Now here, when you click on new entries, you have like this. All this you have to give. Then you give some depreciation key like this. Then calculation methods. All this you have to give, guys.
Okay.
Okay. It's not like, not just a field. There are so many things that we need to create again to create the depreciation. Okay. Right. So depreciation key is a optional field or mandatory?
Mandatory.
Mandatory.
There is no depreciation key is a very important field. Okay. Depreciation key is a mandatory field. It's a mandatory field to be given at the time of mandatory field to be given at the time of creation of asset master. Okay. No, no. Without depreciation key, you cannot create any asset. Can I create a vendor without recon account?
No, sir.
No. Same way here also, depreciation key mandatory for asset master.
Sir, T code?
T code is AFAMA. AFAMA.
FAMA.
AFAMA. Okay. Right. So depreciation key contains all the parameters, information about all the parameters required to calculate the depreciation. A to Z, it will cover the rate of depreciation, type of depreciation, straight line method or WM, WDV method, or when the depreciation should start, when it will end. A to Z, it will capture. So all the information related to depreciation you can find in only one place, that is depreciation. Okay, for each asset you have to maintain the depreciation. Okay, right. So we'll do this tomorrow. We'll start fresh depreciation key. So right, complete up to step 15. 14 and 15 are just knowledge, just check it. Correct? 16 onwards we will see tomorrow. So this is the last step. Step 16 is the last step, guys. Then we enter into asset master creation. Yes. Yes, Naresh? Naresh, I have unmuted you. You can speak. Okay.
So we are creating
So
21 steps after that asset accounting.
Directly, depreciation, chart of depreciation, you copy and create. Okay.
So step 11 to 14.
Step 11, step
Yes.
notepad.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Right, no doubt.
sir, in step 9, the accumulated depreciation GL account, we have to create for all except land and AUC. Is it right, sir?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, for other things only we create. Land and AUC we don't create. Okay.
Sir,
The 21 steps after that, we directly enter into asset
Asset
accounting.
accounting. Yes.
sir,
Yeah. Okay.
server got formatted due to some technical issues, sir.
That's what what you need to do. You cannot get your data now. Data is gone. What
Yes,
you need to do, start your 21 steps now.
yes,
Quickly create the 21 steps enterprise structure, and you
yes,
can start directly with asset accounting. No need to do APAR, not required.
yes,
Directly asset accounting you start. Chart of depreciation.
yes.
Okay. You will not have any problem.
Chart of depreciation.
Yeah, chart of depreciation only, no? First step, copy chart of depreciation, right?
Yeah, sir. Yes.
Yeah, that you start.
Sir.
Okay, guys?
Okay,
Right
sir.
then. So we'll stop here for today. Tomorrow I will start depreciation key. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
thank you
So
then. Thank
step 10 we have to do for all. So step 10 we have to do for
all
the
classes. Yeah.
even the
If you
common ones
common ones,
for the.
yes. Common ones, common for all classes, no? Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.